Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable spoken directions on radio for maps spoken directions on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Maps. In Maps, go down to Spoken Directions, so tap on Spoken Directions, and in here on the last options, tap on Directions on Radio. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Now if you turn this on, then on cars that support it, hear spoken directions when you are listening to the radio. And finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.